Hello everyone, we are starting off with the rider who for some unknown reason wasn't seen at all by the driver coming from the right. He was really lucky that nothing happened to him.
It hurts so much I'll call the doctor. No, let me lift it, relax.
Hadi düşüyorum abi. Evet. Görüldüğü üzere düşülüyor ve bir bok olmuyor.
In this situation, the rider in the back learned a pretty serious lesson about why staying alert is so important, especially when you are riding a group. He most likely ignored all the signs because he was simply going too fast.
Who's the kid, bro? No. Hey, bro. Hey, Will. Will, talk to me, bro. Will. You hear me?
Will. Give him some space. Give him some space. Hey, listen. He needs to keep his mouth to the ground.
This rider went for a pretty risky overtake and quickly received a valuable lesson for it. This rider went into the corner much faster than his experience allowed, took a poor line and linked the bike far more than he should have. That's what ultimately got him into trouble.
Oh! Yeah. Man. No, for sure not.
Oh my god, crazy!
Hey, don't dip in front of me and then just stop when the light turns green. If you're in front of me, then go.
Okay, it's legal though in Arizona. Alright.
Oh, holy. Oh my god. Yo, watch it, bro. Is this guy serious? Dude. He actually almost...
Just like in many of the previous examples, speed was the main reason for this rider's trouble. By overtaking right before the corner, he only made getting through it even harder for himself.
Asien?
Here we've got a reminder of why keeping a safe distance and staying a bit more cautious really matters.
What's up? Hey? Hey? Sorry.
In this situation, the rider took a huge risk by running a red light, and unfortunately things ended very badly for him.
Wally! Idiot! Absolute! Use your friggin' eyes! Blooming idiot!